Good morning. This is a short video regarding conversions. We're going to take a few minutes to review. So the acronym I found and I've been using is King Henry died, mother didn't care much. So go ahead and write it down on your piece of paper and put lines in between as such. So the ones that matter the most for us in the concentration problems, the most common ones, are K for kilograms, for example. And M stands, actually it's more for main. So example, in this case would be grams. That would be the main unit. And in here, much would be for milligrams. And in terms of volume, you'd have the grams here. The main one would be underneath would be liters. You'd have milliliters and kiloliters, but it's not as common to be used. So let's do a couple of examples. We're using grams and kilograms. Okay, so example, I'm going to start with 2 kilograms that I'd like to convert in grams. So I'm going to place my 2 right underneath here and add zeros all the way to grams. So I've done 2 times 1,000 to get to grams. That's 2,000 grams. Now let's try the opposite, from grams to kilograms. Say now I want to go from grams to kilograms, so we'll do 55, for example, 55 grams. How much is that in kilograms? So I'm going to place 55 over here. Remember, the unit is placed at the grams and not in decigrams. So 55 grams, and I'm going to work backwards all the way to kilograms. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 55 divided by 1,000 gives me 0.055 kilograms. Now you try, convert 0.5 kilograms into grams. So let's try this again. 0.5 means there are 0 units as such. And you take the comma and you move it 3 times to the right. 1, 2, 3. So 0.5 kilograms is 500 grams. One last example. Let's do 15.3 grams into kilograms. Once again, the unit is 5. So I'm going to place my 5 right here as such. 15.3. I want it in kilos, so I will send the comma all the way to kilos. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is 0.0153 kilos. I divided by 1,000. You try on the stencil.